Hey guys, today we're going to be downloading Java on any Ubuntu distro. So if you don't know what distro means, it's like a build of Ubuntu. Like I'm using Linux Mint and it's based on Ubuntu. So let's start. First, we're going to go to the terminal. And then we're going to all these the commands are in the descriptions if you just want to copy and paste. So first we're going to do this. Control C and paste. Say paste, enter. Type in your password, and it's going to start downloading. Click Y, and it'll start downloading. So now it's unpacking all the stuff, and we can wait. And now it's done. So now we're going to copy this to see if it accurately installed, like it installed right. Yep, version 21. Perfect. But if okay, it says you down first. There's like a second method. If it says it's downloaded, but when you try to open the app, you can't. I'm gonna show you the second method. This one you don't need the terminal. You can just go to this website. Control C. You can download even Java 20. Like you can download Java 23 or 21, and all these other versions. So you choose Linux, and you go. Where is it? The Debian package. That's what Ubuntu uses. And if you want to use any other packages, it's your choice. You just click on download it and download it. It's like a exe for Windows, but you're on Linux. So that's the end of the video. Now make sure to subscribe and like.